If you like me, love Korean food, you're in for a treat. I'm gonna make this delicious Korean style tofu stew. Add 1 tablespoon oil. Then we add chopped onion, stir for a few seconds. Add ground pork, cook until they're browned. Then we add a spicy noodle sauce. Stir and then add water. 1 cup water. Now we're cutting the silken tofu into squares so we can take them out evenly into the soup. Then we'll add the mushrooms. Cover and bring to a boil. Now we'll add cracked egg, then bean sprouts, and garnish with some chopped cilantro or green onions. For those of you who like seafood, you can also add some shrimp. Now this delicious soup is ready.
You can find Ying's Kitchen sauces with recipes right on the bottle at many local grocery stores. Go to yingskitchen.com for locations and more recipes.